limestone fury and metal thuggery. Pulled the white robes from lethargy, shortwave platter and leather face. Pulled a ruby from Angola's humanitarian mission. We stood bare with a smile to decant burial supervisions, superseding civil memories. Superstition constructed a hoof and surrounded my good luck in a molten screws residue. Condensation melted from polar bears, scapegoats with an island for company. Permafrost melting, dripping and ice shells splitting, Medusa singing, Arafat singing, desert splitting, scat plugs, sun arrow white and woken. Local heart charmer, lonely heart swagger, prance with copper and laugh at sober carcass rigger. Rigging the horse races, racing with my paved face, dragging the soil from my heart flowering in winter and sinning to look at the patterns and circles, to score my iron plate into my bone marrow, run around naked and stare at the sun directing, look at the Star of David, wave puller, soper, suit, loopy bastard looker, marathon walker, trivial table stalker, who crawled through the bloody bowl to stiff a papal main pauper.
I listen to the shells and what they tell, and a black ash beach just south of hell speaks sense and through my mouth just swell. These molten shores stare and rise, and the sea of stolen evil's got the eyes for my fucking demise. And as hard as I try, luck comes in 13s, no reflection in my mirror, just a grubby t-shirt and ripped jeans. I'm one of the trip teens that gets stripped of his soul because he drinks fiends. I stick my arm down my throat, pull out my spirit and inner child, and don't even bother to choke. This singer's wild and won't even believe in joke, and if I come in one piece you cunts better believe I'm leaving broke. Anger and karma, a deranged stranger that race under a ladder, circle running, and I've been running in circles since the worst is coming. Now I'm at some end. You want to see demons, then come friend, I'll show you a side of life that doesn't get discussed in the cuss realm. These bloody pussies ruining an experience, and I beat them my life, so I tell them I'm weird and eerie, I don't feel the fear, yeah, the fucking fear fears me. Scared to death, afraid of breath, like I can't breathe and I'm nearly dead. You'll get fucked like a porn star with a pager, contagious with a rager, yeah I'm dangerous with a razor. Canvas of nature, hate to the last traitor, but I'm fan of the first bastard doing your flavour. You shoot blank with dead and brown and that's your flavour. Quite mean, I'm steaming in bright green, sick from this unseen scene I'm seen. And I'm definitely different to the being. I've been lost, I've been believing, but it's been boring so I stopped steering. Crashed twice and I'm still breathing. Play hopscotch with your head for no reason, and see the crook that stopped thieving just stole the 7th season. I'm meaning and discuss gravity sitting in the fucking ceiling, while it was sipping industrial strength fluids for cleaning. Dreaming, I'm dreaming flashbacks for broken hearts that are still bleeding.
I take a moment to stop to have a good look at myself in the mirror, and I hear my inner voice saying, "Benz, it's not you." I write because I want to, not because I've got to. And I've lost the plot for a few months too many. I forget lines and I shouldn't lose any, but I get higher than an eagle and end up looking rougher than Spiegel. My PE teacher said I had eyes like a half-shut butter knife. I stutter life and drop 2 slices of bread butter downside twice. It feels like life goes that way almost every day. Anyway, far too long I've been a drink and drug receptacle. Now I'm trying to behave a little more respectable, because I've done some stupid stuff where I could have became a scientist or some shit. Instead I chose to run quick into the heat of the sun that burns for intense if it's immense. My intention to say something every sentence. You can catch me cursing there are no gods. I'm stuck nursing my patients, hunting for jobs. And being a slob, it only robs me the time that I have to do something. I knew doing nothing would eventually get boring. My debt is soaring and I wish I hadn't built a bank of regret storing. I hope this bong smoking's expensive but thought provoking. And I'll tell you this much, I've got a tendency to deny my alcohol dependency. It's like I've not got the energy left to fight and left to write the things I think. As I drink and smoke a bong, I float along, trying to put the essence of life into a sentence that's nice. I'm just another product of the system that made me, and maybe one day change will break the chains that enslaved me. I should treat life like a nice lady or she might hate me. The tragedies we've all experienced have been on my mind a lot lately.